Hi guys, welcome to this week's episode of Miss Planet. We are so glad you could join us. So this week we are getting another one of the most requested centerpieces that we received, and it's this Geo Rose, and we've added a light to this centerpiece just for those of you who want an extra special touch. I'm so excited to show you not only how to put this together, but also give you the detailed list, as we always do here at Miss Planet, of where you can get the materials from, where you can get your supplies from. So without further ado, let's get started with this one of the most requested DIY wedding centerpieces that we get, and it is the Geo Rose lighted wedding centerpiece. All right guys, let's get to it. So our first step is to attach this 4x4x2 styrofoam block to our candle holder. Now notice I'm cutting it in half to make it not as tall. We don't want it that tall in our candle holder. And then I'm going to go ahead and trim it down so it fits nice and tight onto the base of our geometric candle holder. Once we've trimmed down our styrofoam, we're just going to simply attach it to the base of our candle holder with hot glue. Finally, you have the option to add a 3-inch LED candle to this beautiful Geo Rose centerpiece. Well guys, what do you think? She's absolutely gorgeous. I love how this turned out. It's so versatile. You can also change up your color scheme to go with what you envision for your wedding. It's so simple, and don't forget, all of the links to the supplies to create this beautiful project are in the description right below this video. Just click on that upside down arrow and it'll take you right there to it. I hope you like this centerpiece. So many of you have requested it over the last several months, and I'm just so glad that we were able to make the time in our schedule to get it done. Remember, if you would like for us to help you with the vision for a project, go ahead to our website, missplanet.com, click on the project requests tab and follow the very simple steps. There is also a link to that tab in the description below. You can also follow us on our social media, and that would be Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, and Pinterest. And by all means, if you have not already signed up for your free Rakuten, formerly known as Ebates account, what are you waiting for? Head on down to the description, click on the link, sign up for your account. When you're ready to shop, sign on to your account, make your qualified purchases, and receive a check at the end of the month for your shopping efforts. It's just that simple. In addition to that, don't forget to head over to our website, missplanetshop.com, for all of your DIY digital downloadable planning guide needs. We have a planning guide for every occasion and for every purpose. So please head over there. We've put so much time into creating them for you. So many of you have told us how helpful they are. So head on over there and check them out. Once again, our time has come to an end, always so quickly. I want to thank all of you for taking the time out and choosing to spend this time with us here at Miss Planet. We know you have so many options on YouTube, and we don't take it lightly that you choose to spend your time with us. We are so close to 100,000 subscribers. I'm so excited about that. And we just want to thank each and every one of you for making that happen for us. In addition to that, if you'd like to drop us a comment or ask us a question, please by all means do that. During this crazy time we have going on in our country, it's very difficult for me to get to all the comments as quickly as I would like, but I want you to know I will get to them. And in the meantime, we have a fantastic DIY community that steps in and helps out when I can't get to them as fast as I would like. But no worries, I will answer your questions. Thank you so much again for spending time with us. Don't forget, if you want to get our help on a project, head on over to our website, missplanted.com, click on the project request tab and follow the easy steps. Do it sooner than later because our schedule fills up so fast. In addition to that, we have so many additional wonderful things on our website, from blog posts to money saving options to a free resource library. Check it out. It's free. So head on over to our site, missplanted.com, click right there on that little icon in the corner. It'll take you there so you can get all of the benefits that we just can't fit into our weekly show. Again, take care of yourself. It's such a very difficult time right now, and I'm just hoping that this brings a smile to your face. So with that being said, always remember, when every penny counts, count on Miss Planet. Take care. I will see you soon. God bless.